So when we're out there looking at somebody's car, do we want to make them feel bad or do we want to make them feel good?
We want to make them feel good.
Good. Why do I want someone feeling good when I'm appraising their car? What's the reason why?
Because you don't want them. You don't want to put out a negative vibe, and then they're ready to go if they feeling bad. They don't want to. You make them feel good. You feel good.
Love it. So if somebody feels good about their car, I want them to think we're giving them too much for the car. Do you really drive a Fit or what do you drive? Yeah. How much is your Fit worth? $8,000. $8,000? No, $1,000. Okay. Your Fit is worth $1,000. Is the biggest piece of crap I've ever seen in my entire life. Or your Fit's worth $1,000. We actually need a Fit like yours. It's absolutely top dollar. We love your Fit. Which way is he more likely to trade it? Yeah, so you want people feeling good. So when we're out there, the real reason why we're out there isn't to beat their car up. It's to do fact finding. Because if you knew how I bought my last car, easier to sell me the next car. So that's what it's all about.